Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, let me check this thing here. I need to put this over here, I guess. Uh, I'm still playing around with OBS, guys. Give me 1 second. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Should be good. All right. So, how everybody's doing? I was able finally to have my split screen here, my OBS there, my training view there. So now I'm not gonna have like my neck broken to the right. So yeah, slowly but surely we're getting organized here. Took a little longer than what I wanted, but at least it's done. So how's everybody doing? Happy Tuesday morning. We are on for another live trading session. This one's gonna go. Yeah. I was really trying to start at 7:30, but yeah. Anyways, so how's everybody doing? Like, how was your weekend, man? Here was a long weekend. We had holiday yesterday. It was Thanksgiving, so I didn't look at the chart until like very late last night, and I did enter a trade where I'm gonna discuss in just a couple minutes. But first thing first, let me know who's here with us today. And let's rock it. Let's rock it. All right, so let's put up the screen here. Do 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 do. Alrighty. This. Here we go. Cool. I'm getting good at this thing. All right, let's get this thing here. Perfect. And should be good. Right? Perfect. Does it sound loud and clear? Are we good? Sound, image? How's everybody? How's everything? Are we like, I didn't even realize, are we 4K now with OBS? Or I'm still stuck with 720? I didn't, I don't think, did I set up the output selection? I don't even know. Settings. Let's see. Um, let me see. Let me see stream. All right, cool. Guys, let me know. Let me know what you think about the image and the sound. And we're gonna get going in just a second. I'm just trying to see because I don't recall putting the setting for audio. I think audio should be fine. Audio. What do you mean device not connected? So what about now? Can you guys hear me or what? Shoot. I have a feeling you guys can't hear me. God damn it. Let me see. Let's see here. This hotkey. Advanced. Oh. Alright, so Jacob says we're good. Alright, awesome. Cool. Alright, so let's jump into it. What about the video quality? Like, is it 720 again, or is it 4K now? I mean, not 4K, but 1080 at least, yeah. Do you know about the 4K? My old MacBook only does 1080. Oh, so at least it's 1080, so that's good. Because before, like with StreamYard, I was stuck with 720, which sucks ass. At least 1080 is pretty good, pretty decent. I don't care about 4K because, I mean, we're just showing up graphics, right? I think 1080 should be good enough, so awesome. Okay. Okay, I'm excited. I think it's gonna be a beautiful week. All right, so let's jump into GJA. Let's do this. GJ, we are bullish on the weekly time frame. We did create a new high. Now looking at the daily, we came back here in that golden zone right here. Boom, boom, ready to go up. I don't really use this. This is the thing I use the most here. So this should be here. This should be there. I don't use the ray. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry guys. What did I do again? No, where's my favorite here? Let's need to remove that ray from my favorite. I don't really use it. Arrow sometimes. Yeah. Alright, I think we're good. Okay, cool. All right, so now we are inside that golden zone on the day time frame. And what about H4? H4 is now bearish. We just did create a new lower low. So to be able to take this trade, I'm gonna need H4 to flip back bullish. Why did I put this here? We can remove this. So I'm gonna place an alert up here. So GJ for once might be looking nice for a swing. H4 going bullish. Alright, so let's talk about this trade that I'm in now. That now we're coming back down, which I don't really like, but it is part of the game. So the weekly is bullish, right? We've been like having this pullback. Now, if you look at this pullback on the weekly time frame, we're pretty much like inside that weekly golden zone. Okay, we are also, if you look on the daily, we are at a daily area of interest. Okay, right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. We also came back down inside that daily golden zone right here yesterday. Obviously, the only thing that, you know, kind of effy-ish, it's because this, we just did form resistance and we don't have a support form. So it was a little bit more risky because of that, but still all the rest makes total sense. We have H4 bullish and we have the pullback also inside that golden zone right here on H4. Right, boom, right here. And from there, now if you look on the lower time frame, it's really extremely rare I do enter during Asian session, but if you look at H1, we did form a new high, pull back, go up. What the hell? Hold on, wait a second. Oh yeah, H1 was kind of iffy here, so that's why I went down on the 30 minutes. Sorry guys, for more clarity. And it was obviously now, at this stage, we had a new higher high here. We had to pull back. Nice engulfing candle on the 30 minute. And yeah, basically, I actually missed that. Oh no, that was earlier. When was that? Oh yeah, that was during the night. Sorry. I enter on the 5 minutes before going to bed. Right here. So if you look here, I was waiting on the 5 minute to flip back bullish, pull back, little like engulfing here. The only thing that sucks, we had no top wick, which what happened after when we have no top wick, most of the time it's a sign that we don't have room to go to the upside. And what happened, we had a wick up and boom. So I was it was like during the night, so I didn't see it, you know. I didn't see it going in drawdown. And after that, woke up this morning, was at like 95 pips, and now we're just coming back down. So let's see what we got here. So still looking good. I mean, everything else is bullish. I just don't like this here, rejection, not being able to close above this area though. Not gonna lie, which is the same area here that H4 resistance rejecting. Yeah, looked like that level was pretty hard, especially that this day had no top weight too. So all right, stay tuned. I'm gonna hold that one, see how it goes. I mean, I might have a possible re-entry here. I mean, if H4 start to flip, well, we only have like 50 minutes, right? Which doesn't look like it right now. Look like we're gonna fill that wick. So I'm gonna be in drawdown probably. You know what? I don't like this. Especially that H1 close with engulfing bearish. Oops. Am I gonna manage that one? I'm sorry. So 15-minute is bearish now. No, sorry. 15 minutes still bullish. Because this is actually this is your high low because we don't have any other elbow. So 15 minutes still bullish. 30-minute is bullish. Five-minute is bearish. We've been just ranging here. NY Open's gonna open up in like 19 minutes. I'm just debating on like, am I securing some profits and re-enter? Let's see. Oh, what happened here? What happened here? You guys still see my screen, right? Do you guys see Forex Factory right now? Just want to make sure. Because that's a new thing. I'm thinking, yeah, okay. Okay, we should be good now. Okay, so what about today? Oh, fucking Powell's gonna speak this afternoon. Alright, we should be good. We should be good. Alright, so what am I gonna do? Am I gonna hold or freaking secure profits? That is the questions. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do when it comes? Let's see how this 15 minutes gonna close in 2 minutes. All right, let's get back to it. All right, so let's continue with NZDCHF. Meanwhile, all right. So, by the way, guys, let me know which pair you're looking at. So, because I'm not gonna have the time to do all the pairs this morning. So, let me know which one you want me to prioritize. Shit, that was hard. Plus, I got a guy from the internet company coming to install a more powerful internet connection. Hey, I want to know also what's your favorite SUV? Because I'm looking at selling my my trailer because since we bought the condo in Mexico, right? So we're not gonna go camping anymore. So I'm, by the same fact, I'm gonna be selling my pickup truck because I mean, not gonna really need a pickup truck if I don't pull anything, right? It's beside the point. So I'm looking for probably grabbing like a nice SUV or something like that. I don't want to go back into a car. Like I think once you add the truck, it's really hard to go back into the car. So let me know which one was your favorite, which one you like. I'm curious. All right, so all right, let's continue here. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be expecting some answers here. Come on, man. You guys, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Down. The fuck. Okay, cool. Okay, so weekly bearish here on the NZD We are also bearish on the daily time frame. It looked like the move that we had planned last week did happen, but we didn't find anything to enter. So now, oh shoot, look at this. This happened last night. I actually marked that down yesterday night when I was watching TV. Shoot. Missed the move. God damn. All right. So for learning purposes, where was the move? So from there to there, it's still bearish. What about the 30 minute? 30 minute, boom, boom, boom. So this was bullish from there to there. And once we flip bearish, this engulfing right here. Damn, son. Shoot, what time was that? Fuck, how come did I miss that though? I was right there. I was watching it. Oh, I'm so mad at myself right now. Shoot, that one made total sense. So let's say above structure point, this structure point, because that would be the 1 hour, right? So yeah, so above that structure point plus 10, so that would be like 18. Oh shit. Yeah, that's, yeah, I guess 15 pips will be way more than enough. That's a lot actually. 15, yeah, 14 pips, I guess. That would be way. What about this now? So you would already be like at 2.5-ish. Damn. Okay, I'm mad. It is what it is. No idea. The cars are so different in America. Oh yeah, you're right. In Denmark, which pickup didn't cost a million here? Which pickup didn't cost a million here? They are so freaking cool. Yeah, pickups they are still pretty expensive. It's funny because like people think like a Mercedes Benz or Audi or whatever luxury car is more expensive, but my pickup truck like was fucking 85K, you know, like before taxes. Like I can buy like two Benz for that price. Like average Benz, obviously, you know, not AMG, obviously. But yeah, I can buy probably AMG for like maybe a year behind or 2 year behind AMG for the same price. Um, all right, so let's say Euro NZD. Hyundai Palisade 226. It's a cool car. I'll take a look. I'm like, they actually, yeah, Hyundai is pretty much, it's better than what it was. I love their sister car though, the Genesis. Man, that, I think it's called the GV80, I think. Like George Victor 80, if I'm not wrong. Something like that. That one looks nice. That one looks fucking nice. Actually, let's take a look. It looks clean. G. Yeah, that's it. I think that's that one, right? Is it? Dude, that's cheap. Oh, that's US. Yeah. That means like 100K here. Almost. Look, this is fucking clean. Like this, the quality of this interior like match like Benz like all the way, like all day every day. Like It's fucking dope. Look at this shit. I'm gonna have to look into this. Anyways. All right, all right, all right. Okay, so let's remove this. All right, so nothing we can do right now with Euro NZD because it's already at resistance. What about GN? GN, as you see, I didn't update my chart yet. Daily, we did create a new high, so let's remove this. That was last week. Let's remove all this. Perfect. We got new high here. Okay, okay. So daily's retesting, did retest previous structure point. H4. We might have a continuation trade here. What about H1? Oh shit, I forgot about G8. You guys need to keep me counted here. All right, so look like that 15-minute I was waiting for did close bullish. No topic, but like that hammer, that hammer type of candle usually though indicate a push to the upside. I just don't like the fact that we didn't print bottom wick here though yet. Hopefully it stays strong. What about the 30? All right, if that 30 closed like this, I should be Gucci after that because New York Open's gonna show up. We should be able to drive volume. All right. Looks like we might be good here. All right, cool. All right, let's get back to GN. All right, so GN, we are inside that golden zone on H4. H1 did form support. Where are my lines? Here. There we go. Perfect. Nice engulfing here at, what time was that? 4 a.m. What about 30 minute? 30 minute is bearish though. So, yeah. All right, so no matter what, I'm gonna need the 30 minute to flip bullish here. It's gonna be super high, so hopefully we're gonna create a new lower low instead. 30 minute. It's so annoying, this thing. All right, so GN, stay tuned. NZD USD. Which pair were you looking at, Jacob, yesterday? You said Euro NZD and AUD USD. Okay. Euro NZD. Let's take a look at AUD USD then. All right, weekly. Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait a second. Damn. All right, we have a switch of structure here. Yeah, I don't like that elbow. So USD short. All right, so that's the new lower low on the day time frame. This is the new lower high. Here we go. And H4. Yeah, so you were talking about that last night. So I guess here, yeah. Oh, Monday. Yeah, so around there. Yeah, I think he had the move also. I don't know if you took it or not, but it did make sense. Now, if you look at H1, H1 went bearish. I guess here, yeah, 9 p.m. Eastern was the entry. I guess that was the only engulfing on H1 mostly. Oh, here also one at 6 a.m. but nothing major. 30-minute. I love the 30-minute because the 30-minute actually gave you a switch of structure. So we went bullish here. Oh, so if you were looking at 30-minute though, you needed to wait for the break here. Yeah. Which after that, you didn't get the entry. So that would make sense that you're not in though. All right, so what's next for ADUSD at this point? At this point, we are at a daily lower low. So I guess gonna have to wait either for pullback on the daily or gonna wait for a pullback on H4 after creating a new lower low. So you don't want to sell at a lower low. You want to sell like at a lower high. So I'm gonna keep an eye on AUDUSD. NZDUSD we said what do we say? Nothing yet. So weekly is still bearish, right? This is the trade I took last week and I got wicked out and boom, now in profit, motherfucker. I'm just gonna keep it on the screen because I want to follow through. H4 did create a new lower low. Fuck, I hate you, NZDUSD. This trade was perfect. Guess my stop was tight. Oh well, it is what it is. Yeah, now at this point, all right, so now at this point, I mean, I gotta wait. I gotta wait for a pullback now. So this one, boom, later. GCAD. What about GCAD? Daily. Daily, we are exactly where we want it, but H4. Oh, all right. So H4 is now bullish. H1 is bearish. So gotta wait. Gotta place an alert though. H1 going bullish. Perfect. And the other one you were looking at was, we just discussed ADUSD and Euro NZD you were looking at. Let's see. And we were looking at short. Okay. So weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish. H4 is bullish. Oh yeah, last night was the. Oh, I guess that was the same kind of trade I was taking on NZDCH on GA. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you entered that one, but they played out pretty nicely. So let's see here. Oh, did we just create a new high? Oh, we did. Okay. I might be able to enter this trade if we have a pullback on H4. So we'll see. Yep. We shall see. Now the question is, where was the entry? H1 was bullish. Pullback. No engulfing on H1. What about the 30 minute? 30 minute was from there to there, here, there. Okay, went bearish. Boom, boom, boom. Bearish. Here was the elbow. Once we broke here above, here was the engulfing at 9 p.m. also. Fuck, man. Last night, 9 p.m. was the key. 9 p.m. had a lot of entries. Damn. Wow. That was a nice one. All right. What about Euro NZD? We just did it. Euro CAD, AUD CAD. Let's see. Am I still watching this? Weekly. All right. So let's delete this. That was last week. So now here we are bearish. Oh, Jacob, no trade. I was sleeping. Yeah, fair enough, man. It's okay. You're gonna have one. This week looks looks interesting. All right, guys, shoot me one or two more pairs that I'm gonna be looking at. All right, tell me which one to look at. Yeah, this one already happened, so this one I'm not really interested. EuroCAD. Yeah, this one I'm not interested. All right, so let's recap this. Is this, yeah, this I'm still interested for consideration trade. GCAD, it's kind of F here. Especially this one's about to go bearish. So, not really. ADUSD, I mean, we are at lower low, so not really. GN, yes. NZD again, at lower low. Nothing we can do here. GN, yeah, GN I can wait for. Yeah, so this one I'm still interested if we have a watch list error. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, the 30 minute. Yeah, I need 30 minutes to go bullish. Okay. GM still in it. All right, cool. All right, so let me see if we can do one more. I'm gonna select one more, and if you guys shoot me one more, I'll do two. EuroCAD. NZD new high here. Oof, messy. No, thank you. No. Maybe. Hold on. sucks that we rejected that one, but we do have a strong support though. No bottom wick. We did reject and close under, but let's see. The day's having this pullback. I don't know. Not interested. This one's been having a lot of problem. All right, so here we have a new high. Daily's starting to have the pullback. H4 is about to go bearish. So that one, I'm just gonna put it up here. I'm gonna flag it blue. I feel like I want to keep track on this one. If we have a nice pullback here, this also gonna be retesting previous structure point right here. This is gonna be the daily golden zone. Also in sync with 88,000, 188,000 major QP. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And let's do one more. Let's find one more. All right, Euro GPY looks the same. So Euro GPY look like the same. We did have that pullback inside that weekly golden zone. Now let's go to the daily. Daily is also coming back to structure point. This look a lot like the other one. Daily golden zone also. What is this alert? Alright, so I'm gonna change this. Entering. Boom. Daily. Perfect. Also have like major QP 175 right here. Yeah, definitely gonna keep track on this one. And what about H4? Yeah, H4 is bearish. Here we go. Got the alert. All right, should we do last one? One last. One last. What do you guys think? One last more. All right, cool. Last one. Last one. And let's see here. No, thank you. Nope. No. Oh my god. This is a nightmare. That's also horrible, horrible, horrible. Okay, I don't think there's nothing else that makes sense. Or maybe I missed something because I did quick, but doesn't look that exciting. Let's take a look at the day quickly. All right. Yeah, no, 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 maybe. Fuck. Yeah, no, maybe. Damn. Not really. Oh, we skip AED GPY. Hold on. Oh man, having problem closing above again. Jeez. All right. All right, I think that's it. Not much else. What time is it? 8:40. Let's take a look at H4 for that dogtail. We are right at this area on the data. We should expect rejection though. So I don't know. I don't know. We might be going a little deeper. So I might be interested still in that H4 dogtail setup. So we shall see. But so far, still holding GA. How is that last 30-minute candle? That okay, should be good. Close nice, nice solid candle here on the 30-minute. They both broke though previous low and previous high. So, which what about this H1? H1 did close previous high though. Oh shoot, and we're coming back down. Oh. What about that? I mean, I need that H4 to close like doji so we can push up. 15 minute. 15 minute looks okay. We didn't print top wick. I mean, so far I'm still holding, so we'll see. We shall see. Yeah, still running like 70-ish pips, which made me think this. I probably didn't put the right price entry here. Let me double check this. What's my entry price? GA 2.0 2.04954 2.0 4 9 5 14. Okay, here we go. And my stop is at 2 point. Okay, wait a second. Where's stop here? 2.0 4414 4414. Here we go. Okay, so that's the entry. So that's the exact entry. So where is the... Yo, I was almost like at the 3-1 here last night. Oh, shoot. Man, that is me. When I do take a trade, like before going to bed, I need to remember to put a TP. Especially these days, I go more with a 2.5 than a 3-1. Because of like how the market is. Fuck. So dumb. Like, that was an easy 2.5. Shoot! So dumb. It is what it is. I'm actually going to place an alert here. at 2.5. TP1 2.521. Here you go. Perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So hopefully this was helpful. I'm gonna be back on Tuesday. Not Tuesday. What am I saying, man? Thursday night. Forex Talk Over Beer, 6 p.m. Eastern. So make sure to tune in, and I'll go over some again trade ideas, giving you some rundown and breakdown on the winning trade or losing trade. I don't care. By the way, if people only show their winners, please run away. Um, run away because they're faking it. All right, guys. So thank you so much for being here tonight. I mean, tonight, this morning. Jesus, it's so dark outside. I think it's tonight. So thanks again, guys. Wish you an amazing day. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to smash the like button. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great, great day. Where's my outro? I found my outro, guys. All right. Later, guys. Peace out.